Hi guys, I hope you're having a good day. Today I am here with a new box to my channel, the FabFitFun box. Now the box is not new to me. I was a subscriber for a couple of years. I took a few seasons off and I was planning on taking more seasons off. I was still using up products but mostly I had canceled my subscription before to allot that money towards a gym membership. Well, I had to cancel my gym membership. It does not look like I will be entering a gym anytime soon. And so I told my husband, I'm like, I want my FabFitFun box back. So he agreed and I was like, yes, because I like FabFitFun for the lifestyle things. A lot of times, there's my dog. All right, I let the dog in and now I don't remember what I was saying, but basically this is the fall FabFitFun box. This time I signed up as an annual member. Previously I had been seasonal and I wanted to be an annual member so I could try and get more of the stuff that I wanted. I felt like as a seasonal, I ended up with a lot of things I didn't. So it's worth it for me definitely to be an annual member. I can leave more information about the cost, the price, everything in the box. Numbers are escaping me at the moment and I don't have notes next to me or anything, so I'll just put it down there in the box what the cost of the subscription and such. But this is how the fall FabFitFun box looks. I've got my handy with a sticker here. They always have nice boxes. I do tend to use them. Right now I'm using one to hold like extra electronic cables. I've got one holding like my winter tights that won't fit in my dresser drawers, things like that. So the boxes are fun to repurpose because they are pretty and decorated. So here we have, oh, I'm sorry, I'm knocking the camera. So we have the FabFitFun magazine, which it has Padma on it. Like, that's pretty awesome. And there's always, information about the products and extra little, things to read in the magazine. We'll set that to the side. That's where we'll find like all the the prices of everything. So I did customize my box as an annual member. I got to customize most of the box. There were a few things that were a surprise and I was really, really hoping for certain things. So I will show you if that worked out in my favor. So let me see. Actually, I'm gonna open the magazine to the very first categories because they always have like certain categories that go together. So on this page, we have all of the items that I could have chosen for my first choice. So there's like a mascara, wand, these cute little, what do you call these? Jars, copper jars that I actually thought these were really cute. Like a purse and a backpack, but I ended up going with this little basket. Okay, so here is my basket. I'm pleased, it feels nice and heavy duty. I can get into it. So mostly I wanted this because I've been really into plants lately, and one of my favorite ways that I have seen people style plants is in a basket like this. So this basket is like a foldable basket. Let's see if I can push out the bottom. There we go. And it has little handles here. The retail cost of this, it says it's $60. I don't believe it. I wouldn't spend actually $60 on this. I just got a similar basket at TJ Maxx for like $12. I don't think $60 is right for this, but it is a nice basket and I can't wait to use it. This will be fun to style a plant with, or maybe knitting materials, who knows. Okay, so the next category, I could have chosen this Yoga Infinity Scarf, this Glossmetics hair removal device, this Dr. Dennis Grossman serum, this scarf again with a fringe, or this Volition celery cream. This was a hard category for me. There were a few things I would have liked to have gone with, but I ended up going with the hair removal device. So let me find that in here. That's not it. Here it is. The Glossmetics hair removal device. Now I saw Jenla's review this and she was not impressed. So now I'm wishing that I'd gone with a scarf again, but you know what? I will see what I think of this. She mostly was upset with it because she felt like it didn't do a good job removing like tough hair, like leg hair, but I thought from the description that this sounded more like an item that's specifically for like peach fuzz around your lips and maybe on your cheeks and maybe on like your arms. So not necessarily for more tough hair removal. All right, so I slid it on out. It comes with a little brush. Let's see if I can pop that out or not. It comes with a little brush for cleaning the little razor head. It comes with a battery, and this is the actual little razor. So it's got like a rose gold handle, and you can see from the tip that it's like one of those, it looks like the type of razor that your husband uses you know, but I'm interested to try that out. I will hopefully have an update for you guys on that sometime soon. I was thinking of trying it out for you here because I do have like peach fuzz around my mouth, but I'm wearing makeup and I kind of want to use that just when my skin is clean. So I'll have to try that some other time. Okay, for the third option, I could have chosen this Jenny Bird, is it Jenny Bird? Yes, Jenny Bird Austin cuff, this Jenny Bird necklace over here, this mask set from, is it Vitamasks, multivitamin mask set, Nectar blue light blocking glasses, and this Beauty Bakery Proof was in the Puddin' palette. This palette is cute, but I actually had that palette. I just decluttered it to my sister, so I ended up choosing the glasses. So the theory of blocking blue light, if I'm correct, is just to reduce strain on your eyes from looking at a screen all day, which I try not to stare at a screen all day, but you know, there are times when I end up looking at a screen a lot. So here's it comes in a cute little pouch. Now, they're cute. Now, please don't laugh at me, guys. I have a very narrow, childlike face. Glasses usually look ridiculous on me, and even if these look ridiculous on me, I'll still wear them at home for, you know, the blue light blocking, but I hope they're cute. Let's see. Yeah. This reminds me of my childhood when I had really, really large glasses that were too big for my face. Oh well, I will still wear them for the blue light blocking benefits. I'm happy with that. This is something that like FabFitFun has been selling for a while, and like their add-on sales and such, and I always just kind of wistfully looked at it and like, I don't need those. So I'm happy to get this in the box. Oh, I didn't tell you prices. According to them, the Glossmedics hair removal device is $59.99. Again, I'm not sure about that. Subscription boxes always have interesting price ranges, that's for sure. And then the Nectar blue light blocking glasses are worth $45. That just, once again, that's up there. Okay, for the fourth category, I could have chosen this turquoise little Mason Tops glass water bottle. Isn't that cute? And also the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. This whipped cleansing cream from Skin & Co. This pumpkin walnut facial scrub from Feel. And this coffee body scrub from Frank Body. I think that's what it was called. Yeah, I definitely went with the jar. The water bottle. I'm actually really excited about this. So look at this. I love it. It comes in an actual from Mason jar. I love it. This looks so cool. I can't wait. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. So look at, I love the color of it. It's got a screw off lid, and look at how wide this is. I can reach my hand in there almost. Yep, I can, which means I can actually clean it. That's a big deal to me. I hate it when you can't fully clean a jar. So that is fantastic. This comes off if you want it off so that you can actually see like the numbers of how much fluid you're putting in there. It looks just like a mason jar. I think it's so awesome. So I can't wait for this. I think this is probably one of my favorite things in the box so far. If I could get the little sleeve back on, that'd be great. Okay, I didn't show, that took longer than it should have. And little pop top, it just pops off like this. There we go. So if you wanted to put like a straw or something in there, that would fit as well. And this is also the type that's easy to clean, which I appreciate. So many times they get gunky and I'm like, and it's hard to get it off. It's like, I don't know if I want to use it again. But this looks like I can clean it, and I love the color. I love this. According to the magazine, this has a $35 value. I do think that's high. That's a bit high for this. All right, the next section I could have chosen something from. There's this little like travel cutlery set. I actually almost chose this for my purse to carry around. I thought it was like a fun little thing to try and reduce waste. There's also this, let's see, NCLA cuticle oil. Where is it on that? Oh, here it is up here. I couldn't find it in the picture. This liquid RX stress reliever, 100% natural. What do they call it? It's like a really long name. 100% natural Ayurvedic, I don't know how to pronounce that, hair oil. That's this one. You could also have gotten some 8 Other Reasons hair clips, and also these Harper and Ari exfoliating like juice cube things. I have had those before. Like they're starting to bring back things that they've had in their past boxes, which is fine for people who maybe perhaps missed out on it. I decided to go with the hair oil. So at first, I didn't know what to get in that section. I wasn't really drawn too much by anything, and I'm like, I don't need another hair product, but this is more of like a leave-in oil that you then wash out, if I have it correct. It says, for directions, use your fingers to apply oil into scalp and hair, massage lightly, shampoo and rinse after 1 hour. So yeah, this is more like a hair mask treatment, which instantly I was like, okay, that's different than anything else that I have. I'm very interested to smell this because of the ingredients. So the first ingredient is rapeseed oil, then it's jasmine flower oil, pumpkin seed oil, and sesame seed oil. I like how it has just a few ingredients in there, but the fact that the second ingredient is jasmine flower oil really piqued my interest. I love the smell of jasmine, and that kind of explains why this is so expensive. This has a retail value of $75, which that is really expensive, but just because of the jasmine oil, that's like the one thing I could see why it's so expensive. Oils can't be spendy. Okay, if I could get this off, I really want to smell it. Okay. Didn't get it off the top, just the bottom. Come on now, you can do it. I'm gonna have to go get a scissor. That's terrible. I got it all off except the part I need to get off, the part around the dropper. It's like trying to free one of those suckers. You guys know what I'm talking about? Where it's a lollipop and therefore it should be easy to get into and you spend forever trying to get the plastic off the bottom. Okay, I can smell the jasmine through the top already. Oh, it has an expiration date on it. That makes me happy. June 2022. Excellent. So it is a pale, very, very pale goldeny color. And obviously as an oil, it is very watery. There it is in the back of my hand, and that's heavenly. I cannot wait to use it on my hair. My husband will hate it. He hates things that are scented, but oh my goodness. One of my favorite teas is like jasmine tea, and this smells like really good jasmine tea. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Ooh, I cannot wait to put that in my hair. Now we come to the categories that had me a little stressed out because there were things in here that I really, 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 really did not want, and a few things that I would be okay receiving. Like, there's nothing in this section that had me excited, unfortunately. But so for the 6th category, I could have received this pumpkin spice pedicure set. That was honestly what I was hoping to receive. Then there's the laundress crease release, which sounds interesting, but you know, it's not that exciting. And then a spongelle. So that particular category, you know, nothing too terrible actually. And I ended up getting the crease release, which here is a decent size bottle. I just hope it's not too scented. Also, I hope it works because I tend to not iron. Spray it on my shirt that's slightly wrinkled. It's very scented. It smells like laundry. It smells like laundry soap. This is another thing I'll have to keep you updated on. Once again, I'm not excitedly thrilled about it, but if it removes wrinkles, you know, it'll be handy. Okay, in the 7th category, I could have received this Nature Lab hair mask. One of these Nature Lab room sprays in either pumpkin spice or Santal Noir. Or this, I don't know if it's Hythe or Hith, Tranquility Sleep Mist. And it looks like I was sent the sleep mist. So here it is, the Hith Tranquility Sleep Mist. Let's check this one out. So this could be something that I could get into. I really like the idea of, I don't know, it's a really pleasant smelling pillow and falling asleep on it. However, I already mentioned how much my husband hates scents. We'll see if I can keep this or if I have to pass along to somebody else. Directions: before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. All right, well, we're gonna try it on something fabric here. I might just spray it into the air, see how I feel. I like it. It smells like lavender. If you don't like lavender, you will hate this. I really like it. Hopefully my hubby will let me use it. It's not about letting me use it. I also don't want to torment him. I have no desire to give him headaches and migraines and such. So hopefully he can tolerate this. I have my doubts. But that particular hairspray, or not hairspray, pillow spray is worth $22. And in the last section, we have this shower gel from Papier. This ZIGI and MARAIS pouch with stripe, and the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. And of course I got the Glow Milk. one thing I really didn't want. So it's in this really cute container though. Look how cute that packaging is. It looks like a milk container. It has a happy little smiley face on the side. The first thing I see is that it's nourished with coconut oil. Argan oil too, which is nice, but coconut oil means I will not be putting this on my face. In fact, let me look at the ingredients. Cocos nucifera oil. Actual coconut oil. With my skin issues, that likely means I can't use this, but I'm already thinking of a friend I know who loves to highlight her shoulders and stuff in the summer, and she might really enjoy this. So otherwise I wouldn't even open it, I'd pass it along, but I know she won't care if I test it out real quick and see on my hand the beauty, because I've been kind of softening in my attitude towards highlighters. I still don't think they're necessarily for me, but I can see the appeal for sure. So here's the little bottle of the Glow Milk. It does look really pretty and sparkly. Let's try it maybe on the hand where I didn't put the jasmine. So it comes out in this dropper. Just put some in the back of my hand. So there I got a little droplet. It does look kind of rose goldy, doesn't it? That is really pretty. It doesn't really look like it has glitter or anything in it, which I appreciate. It just gives kind of a really pretty wet look. I have a feeling my friend is going to love that. Oh, I'm looking forward to giving that to her. She'll have fun with this. But according to the magazine, that is worth $19.50. Okay, and then I actually had one add-on. You do have an opportunity to add things on to your box, and I used to go a lot more crazy with these add-on sales. Now I have more stuff, so I'm able to hold myself back a little better. Oh no, I'm gonna have a hard time getting this open as well. No, maybe. It is the Skindinavia, the finishing spray. I think that this is the same thing as the Urban Decay stuff. Am I right about that? I thought I heard another YouTube say that. They're sister companies or whatever, and this is essentially the same thing. I'm gonna try it out real quick. Ooh, it has a really nice fine mister. And I don't know, obviously, anything about the staying power of it, but I really like the mister on this. I'm happy about that. I will put the price of that in the corner because I can't remember. It was, you know, much reduced, obviously, like I said. All right, overall, I'm happy with my box. There were a few things that I was just kind of meh about, but, you know, that's kind of the way it is with subscription boxes, you know, where you can't pick everything that's curated for you. That's just the way it's going to be. But I am really excited about this water bottle. And strangely, I didn't know how I would feel about this, but I love the scent of this. I cannot wait to try it out. And I'm hoping that this, you know, little hair removal device does its thing for me. So in any case, that was my FabFitFun box. I know a lot of people get FabFitFun. Let me know if you enjoyed your box and what were the items that you received in your box. But in any case, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm going to put down here on the screen the total cost of everything added up. I gotta go cook. I don't have time to do it right now. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.